What's going on, you guys? What's going on, YouTube? I'm sorry for the break. Before I get into the video, I'm explaining why I took a little break from recording my last previous video. But first, I'm introduce myself. My name is Cali the World Traveler, aka Cali Smooth. Welcome to this channel. You haven't came across it before. Next week I'll be talking about a lot of entrepreneurships, a lot of business models, and just me having fun on my channel. I'm new to YouTube. I'm a new YouTuber, and thank you for your support. So let's get into this video. I already had a little downtime also. Basically, this quick video is about how do you make income on YouTube. One aspect I like to take and look into is basically affiliate marketing or selling your referral links. I want to say selling but promoting your referral links. You can take a referral link like Dosh. Get somebody to sign up, you get $5, $15, and another person get $5, $15, and that collectively just compound, builds up. I have my Dosh link down free below, so just look below, sign up, support. You get a $5 or $15, however much the payout is. That's one way. It's other affiliate links you could promote. I got Cash App, I got my Acorn investment app. I love Acorn. Acorn is one of the best affiliate apps that you could promote on YouTube. Usually why? A lot of people are into the stock market, crypto, and just free stocks in general. I have my Acorn link. I'm gonna get more in depth into what each individual app does, but basically this video is basically about how do you make, $5, $10 here and there on YouTube. Okay, that's one aspect you can have: promoting apps, promoting affiliate offers, just getting people signed up under you, and then over a while you get one person here that shares your link, two people here. You just building your small online base. This is not a get rich quick scheme. People think you can jump on the internet and just bam, overnight you get substantially income. No, people want to follow your content. Sorry about that, y'all. But people basically want to follow your content, support you, and it's all about how you promote your affiliate links. So that's just one. This small aspect how to make money on YouTube. So we got apps, we got affiliate links, we got Dosh, we got Cash App, we got Acorn. All these links are down below. Number two, you can either do digital marketing, products. You can promote ebooks, digital products. Basically, give it a company like ClickBank. I'm gonna do a tutorial about ClickBank, where you can. ClickBank is one of the best digital marketer platforms, right next to Amazon FBA. But ClickBank basically has so many products that you could promote for high offering value, or some you might promote for a small offering value, but it never ends, because you know why? The internet never ends. People have to understand, making money online is a continuous income. It just gradually builds up, because when you go to your 9-to-5 job, you have a set and time schedule when you have to be there. But on the internet, you are your own boss. You could promote your affiliate link in the United States. You could promote it across the world, anywhere, different time zones, and still make money. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. So back on ClickBank, I've been promoting this manifest digital clickbait. Basically, inspiring thoughts. I know how much it costs, but it's down below. It's basically an ebook, inspiring, uplifting, inspirational quotes. People will pay for well-taught knowledge. We are living in a millennium time period. People will pay for information. Listen, people will pay you for your knowledge and what you know. Because I want to say this world has made us lazy, but in a sense it has. People don't want to go out and dig. Like personally myself, when I was coming for this YouTube dropshipping affiliate marketing, I per se didn't buy any course. I didn't have the money. I'm a college student, so I just don't have money to put out there. Not saying that I'm not gonna get good value from the course I buy, or just whatever I want to input. I just didn't have the money at the time. So what I took, what I did, I had was free YouTube videos, free advertisement. It's basically anybody that I look up to or learning this different business and just model it after them. But after a while, as I started seeing success, I started supporting the people. I started watching. I started buying into their courses. People, stop thinking these internet courses are a scam. They are not a scam. Some are, but 9 out of 10. That's why I say, don't. When you see a course you want to get into, don't buy it right off the bat. Wait till people start buying it, and then you start getting the results. Once you start seeing people posting results, okay, that's when I jump into it. Just like with any video game or any phone like Apple, I never be the first person to go buy a product for Apple, because you know why? The markup, first of all, is high. Every time Apple come out with a new product, you gotta think about it. They mark it up so high, and people run to the stores and go get it. They go get the phone for what? What's the difference between your last phone? So that's how you have to think about it when you look into these courses. It's not per se a scam. People mark up the prices so quick before people even know do it really work. People just going about how you promote your product, promote your course. So I like to see the evidence. So let's back into this topic. I know we running off. I just like to talk and just give y'all good value content, because y'all are missing out on this free money on YouTube. I want to say YouTube in general, just say the internet. Okay. So like I said, I like ClickBank. ClickBank has so many products, man. Y'all can promote ebooks, cookbooks, investments, anything. Like, I love ClickBank. As a young entrepreneur, I'm always into different aspects of making me money. Cause like I said, I'm on a go. I'm on a mission. I'm trying to do stuff for my family. I'm trying to help my mom. I help my dad. I'm tired of them going to 9-to-5 job and struggling. I'm gonna say we're struggling, but putting a lot into somebody else's company, we're not really getting a big benefit from that. But we getting our bills, man. That's why I'm here now. Like I said, just support me, man, and everything's gonna keep going, man. By the grace of God, everything's gonna keep going. But back into ClickBank, man. If y'all, I'm gonna drop a link about where ClickBank, where it started from, where everything originated from. ClickBank is not a scam. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers making money on promoting ClickBank affiliate offers. Okay, that's aspect number 2. Remember I said we got apps, we got ClickBank, and number 3, my favorite, what really got me out of the predicament I was in, dropshipping. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is basically an avenue where you get a product from overseas, Wish, China, Wish, AliExpress, and you basically upscale it. Everybody don't know what scaling is, upscaling. Yeah, I know it's a cool terminology. It's new lingo, but basically you get a product, man. You get this. Let's say man, I can't really. Okay, go on my head today. Let's say you get these batteries for stupid batteries for like $5 or so from China. And then you go look on the eBay product. You go to eBay platform, cause that's what I like. People like doing other platforms. I'm gonna get more in depth into that. But then you go on the eBay platform. eBay platform, it will show you. You put in Sunbeam or whatever your product is you promoting, and you look into it. You see how much people are willing to pay for this item. I think about it. Follow me now. You research. You do your 5-10 minutes research on how much people will pay for these batteries. Okay, let's say the going price is say $10. Let me just roughly airballing $10. You got this product for say $2. So, but people are willing to at least buy this product for $8. So you probably mark it up for $10 or whatever, and then you keep the profit. Not to say that people are gonna buy your battery, because it's like come on now, people. I'm not about to pay $10 for the battery like I get it for somebody else, but you understand the idea. People will buy high products just because of the name and how you market it. Like jeans, like these jeans I got on, these jerseys, these Adidas. People would pay $50 to $40 for clothes when they depreciate. They depreciate sushi buying. But what I'm trying to get to y'all entrepreneurs, my fellow friends, my fellow travelers, my fellow buddies, that you have to find different avenues of income. You will never know if your platform will work if you don't try it. You have to get off your ass and take action. You have to take action, y'all. If you do not take action, you're missing out on life. So, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm at the 10-minute mark. I like to keep these videos nice and sweet, but effective, and with great value content. When you come to my channel, you're gonna get good content, good vibes. Basically, information is better than yourself. So basically, today's video is basically about how you make money on YouTube and what avenues you can get into. Like I said, you got apps, you got affiliate offers, you got drop shipping. And when people don't fail to realize that dropshipping, have your online business, it comes into a lot of process. It comes into a lot. You got to do it. Facebook advertising, free. Well, sometimes you get free traffic. Use your social media. How do you promote your product? I'm gonna get it more in depth. I'm gonna basically do a tutorial about how to start your free online e-commerce store. If anybody wanna take a look, the link is down below. Shopify, excuse me, y'all. It's a Shopify link. And it's basically just you don't have to buy it, or you got a 14 free day trial, but the basic plan is $29. That's $29. What is $29 to go change your life? Change your life, better you, and have your own business. And then I'm gonna do a step by step so how you work Shopify. So I'm about to wrap this video up, you guys. I thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for coming, supporting me. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Please drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. This is my channel. I'm Cali the World Traveler, aka your boy, Cali Smooth. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch. I'm streaming all day long. This is what I do. Twitch is my life. My next video, right after this, I'm dropping my Twitch video. I mean, everybody know right here, man, we getting lit on Twitch 24/7. So like I said, man, follow me on Twitch. Follow me on all my social media. So links will be down below. Yeah, man, thank you. Stay blessed, man. I love you guys. Hey, let's get lit. We out of here.